Okay, working on our head here. We want to straighten these out in here and take this down so we have more bridge to the nose. So we're going to take that down. We're going to work on that now. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I appreciate you followers. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Okay, so we got that sanded down pretty good, what I want, or taken down pretty much the depth I want. So we have a good bridge to the nose. So we're going to straighten these up a little bit, and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.